Everyone, especially to our teacher, Sir Anthony Ong. My name is Andre Leberon, and I'm here to discuss all about I learned in oral communication. The best life lesson, even learn about communication, is to think before you speak. There is always a better way to say something to some, even it is bad or negative. To that really think about the other person is saying. More importantly, think about what they are saying. Things that I learn in barriers. For example, is differentiate between filtering, selective perception, and information overload. Differentiate between emotional disconnects, lacks of source, credibility, and semantics. Function of communication. Serve 7 function. Major, control, motivation, expression information, emotion control, and emotional expression, in which that I gave example is control. In active listening, I already talked to him about the schedule. Who was listening? How often have I said words like this, or had them said about a coworker? Every time we talk or listen, there are things that get in the way of clear communication, things that interference with the receiver, types of noise that can cause a message to be misinterpreted. Say friends, what are the things that come up to your minds? How do you define friends? Do you see friends as a real friends, or do you treat as a valiant? I learned about barriers is the solution of how solve them. Friends are the people that we can rely on. They can be shoulders in the times of facing problems. They can sometimes be our enemy, but because of the bond, that anger will quickly fade away. Some friends have a trouble communicating, either groups of friends or just up to of them. Barriers is a so-called cultural barrier. Because of the different culture, some friends have a trouble on how to deliver their words. Some have troubles on how to approach each other because it might make them angry. Because of this barrier, another barrier will appear, the perpetual barrier, because of fear on having on fight to their friends. They experience perpetual barriers. They'll feel fear that if they pick the wrong way to deliver words on their friend that have a different culture, it might cause a fight. Let's discuss the solution for this problem. It might not be, but at least try to apply in your life. First barrier, cultural barrier. If you and your friends have a different culture, at least try to understand them. It is better if you will become picky to the words you say and to the way they deliver. Make sure you don't ones like sarcastic or mad. Let's say you feel fear because you don't want to have a fight with your friends. Don't be trying to make them understand. You yourself have a different culture. If they really you as a friend, it is impossible for them to understand you because friends are supposed to be helping each other and not fighting because friends are friends. Either is the best friend or just a friend. It is still a friend, and friends don't hesitate of relying to each other. And nonverbal cues that achieve that each speaker uses to achieve their purpose. And now, let us proceed to our sample of function. To inquire, to request information, assistance, service, or supplies without persuasive effort. To inform, to convey information to intended audience by giving instruction or direction, description, or something explanation on how and why a thing or process operates, reports, and lecture. To persuade, to motivate, and to motivate others to act or believe in a certain way, agree with our option or beliefs. Action on a matter, reinforce on intensity their beliefs. To certain, to divert, amuse, decrease the tension of built rapport with others. And that's all I learned about my subject in oral communication. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.